Imagine a planet that's literally a giant diamond. Sounds like something straight out of a sci fi movie, right? Well, meet 55 Cancri E, a planet located about 40 light years away from us. Scientists believe this celestial body is composed almost entirely of diamond. Yes, you heard that right. Diamond. The same precious gem that adorns jewelry and is flaunted in hip hop culture, but on a cosmic scale. Now, how does a planet become a diamond? It all comes down to its proximity to its star. 55. Cancri E orbits extremely close to its sun, which means the carbon on the planet is subjected to intense heat and pressure. Under these extreme conditions, carbon atoms crystallize and form diamond. It's like nature's own jewelry making process, but on a planetary level. But before you start dreaming of vacationing on this sparkling world, let's talk about the reality of its environment. The surface temperatures on 55 Cancri E soar over 2,000 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt metal. And if that wasn't enough to deter you, the gravity on this planet is so strong that it could crush you in seconds. You'd be a puddle before you even had a chance to admire your diamond surroundings. So, while 55 Cancri E might sound like a treasure trove of gems, it's not exactly a hospitable place for humans. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of our universe, where planets can be made of materials we can only dream of. Just think about it, a planet that's a giant diamond spinning in the cosmos, while we're here on Earth, surrounded by our own unique wonders. It's a
Bananas are
fascinating
not just
thought, isn't
tasty
it?
and healthy, they're also a bit radioactive. That's right. Bananas contain potassium 40, a natural radioactive isotope. So every time you munch on one, you're getting a tiny dose of radiation. Scientists even use something called the banana equivalent dose to help explain radiation levels. But don't worry, you'd need to eat about 10 million bananas in one sitting to actually get radiation poisoning. So enjoy your bananas guilt-free. They're more than just a snack. They're a fun little science lesson. Inside you right now is a substance so powerful it can melt metal. No, I'm not talking about some Marvel super serum. I'm talking about your stomach acid. That's right. The very same acid that breaks down your food is mostly hydrochloric acid, and it has a pH of around 1 to 2. That's incredibly strong, strong enough to dissolve razor blades in lab tests. Imagine that. Scientists have actually tested this in controlled conditions, and the results are mind-blowing. This acid can corrode thin metal. So, the next time you think about what's happening in your stomach, remember that you're hosting a chemical powerhouse capable of some serious destruction. But don't worry, your stomach doesn't dissolve itself. It has a clever defense mechanism, a mucus lining that protects it from its own acidic environment. This mucus isn't just a one-time deal, it's constantly regenerating. Think about it. Your stomach is like a superhero with a shield that repairs itself. Even the mucus can get damaged over time, but your body is always on the job, producing more to keep everything safe and sound. Now, let's dive a little deeper into how this all works. When you eat, your stomach kicks into high gear. It releases hydrochloric acid, which activates enzymes that help break down food into a semi-liquid form called chyme. This process is essential for digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients effectively. Without this powerful acid, you wouldn't be able to extract the vitamins and minerals you need from your meals. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The stomach acid is not just a one-trick pony. It also plays a crucial role in protecting you from harmful bacteria and pathogens that might sneak in with your food. The acidity creates an inhospitable environment for many of these invaders, acting as a first line of defense in your digestive system. However, there's a balance to maintain. If your stomach acid levels are too low, you might struggle with digestion, leading to issues like bloating or nutrient deficiencies. On the flip side, too much acid can result in heartburn or acid reflux, which is definitely not a pleasant experience. So, how does your body keep this balance? It's all about hormones and signals. When you eat, your stomach knows to ramp up acid production. But if you're not eating, your body reduces acid secretion to prevent damage to the stomach lining. It's a finely tuned system that keeps everything running smoothly. And let's not forget about the role of diet. Certain foods can influence your stomach acid levels. For instance, spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol can increase acid production, while a diet rich in fiber can help maintain a healthy digestive system. In essence, your stomach acid is a remarkable substance, powerful, protective, and essential for your health. It's a reminder of how complex and fascinating our bodies are. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible chemistry happening right inside you, working tirelessly to keep you nourished and
Did you
healthy.
know you're glowing right now? No joke. Humans naturally emit a super weak bioluminescence due to chemical reactions in our cells. It peaks in the late afternoon and fades at night. The catch? It's about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can see, so we miss it completely. But back in 2009, Japanese scientists captured this glow on camera using ultra-sensitive sensors. So, technically, you're walking around like a really, really bad flashlight. Imagine that. Your body is a hidden light source, just waiting to shine. Octopuses are straight up aliens. Blobs floating around. They can even change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings, a skill that's not just for show. It's a survival tactic that keeps them safe from predators. And let's not forget about their arms. An octopus has 8 of them, and each arm is packed with its own mini brain. That means they can multitask like pros. Each arm can operate independently, allowing them to explore, hunt, and defend themselves all at once. Imagine having that kind of dexterity and brain power. So, the next time you see an octopus, remember, you're looking at a creature that's not just a marvel of evolution, but a true alien of the sea. With their unique biology, intelligence, and adaptability, they remind us that life on Earth can be just as strange and fascinating as anything we might find in outer space.